Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker EDIFIER D32. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turn on, open control panel, and if it's disabled, just enable the Bluetooth. Now, your speaker should reconnect with your phone automatically, but it doesn't work for iOS. For iOS, after you turn on your Bluetooth, you need to reconnect it manually. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your speaker here. And we have connection. Also, I recommend you to do the same on your Android device, maybe it will help you. Next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, on the front side, at the bottom we have power button. Press and hold it to turn off your speaker. And after that, press and hold power button again to turn on it. Your speaker will reconnect with your phone, so maybe this one is fix your problem. Did we have connection? Yes, we have, but you can also try to tap at your speaker here. Now, if it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory set, and we can do this only in the application. So if your speaker just disconnecting sometimes, and you have this window to open the application, I recommend it to do this. Of course, you need to add your speaker to the app, go to the settings at the right top, and at the bottom we have factory settings. Tap at this line, then tap at the slider and confirm. Now we need to reconnect this speaker with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth. Or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, because right now on iOS 26 it doesn't work to go back and return, so you need to only turn off and turn on. Then, after factory set, this speaker enters to pairing mode automatically, so tap at your speaker at the device list and we have connection. And I have also one more option for you is to reset Bluetooth settings, but once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, you need to open Settings, and then go to the General. Scroll down, and at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Then click Reset. In this window you need to select Reset Network Settings, because on iOS we have no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So we need to click at this line, then write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, System, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have Reset Options. Tap at this line, then you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click Reset. And you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!